Alright guys, here's the maiden voyage of my gate. Here's one side, got the opener on and this special thing cut here. Fabricated by me. Don't patent that thing. It's so beautiful, isn't it? But that's the pivot point. Goes over to here, made this little rod. Bam bam, adjustments there. Chain's got a little slack in it still. I had to make this little contraption up here because another one broke. That's pretty nice. Anyway, this is about her. I'm gonna do these differently. Those are just temporary, but they'll serve its purpose. This is it. Had to do the wheels. That one needs to be adjusted. This one here, so I can pick up this little uneven right there. Got my strap on. Got my turnbuckle there. Put these little things, little chain link. I forget what you call them, but they hold the chain link up, the little strip that goes down in there. I put those in behind my brackets there, so I could put that on there. And it seemed to help a little bit, not a ton. Did the same thing on this side. It's dark, but get the gist of it. That's it. I'm about to give her a shot. I have no idea. I mean, chances are about 0, but we'll try. Here we go. Cross your fingers. We really need a second person. Whoa, get down, Charlie Brown now. Got some power on that motherfucker. Well, now you got an idea. That some bitch is gonna work. This needs a little adjusting. Y'all be easy out there. Thanks.